ewo KMA.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Abani mpacho what me kan ma me mo akwaba.
Yeah.
Ama odini nyina ye se wadaroma Mr. Poku den wadaroma odini nyina.
Kwaku Poku.
Mr. Kwaku Poku. Say office book or there.
Yankopardom, ekrem kakaka.
Hey, okay, the yamiase. Now, but Oba, who take you over from at KMA ache?
I can say me 2 years more.
Oh, okay, I see. That's fine. Now, Enra, your reporter the report be braying. Mrum, Achumunum area ho.
Yeah.
Leakage bia amanfo wo ho suspect say ebeye toilet na amanfo agya ma nam kwan so mo to aduane wo ho amanfo etwam ho ne ade nyina no enso e go through a lot e health implication as a matter of fact but da bena sadie o te ho komo is it enra no ye cap ye bo amane and I say it is something one kasa what dada and I'm over na mu 2 year on that.
You made us na machia with your phone na machia. Them let my food na can carry honorable mayor, honorable Richard. We had my body. Yeah, and the me as the head of the unit, you know, but then upon further inquiries, you know. Inyanti say the officers ni bi akoso em say mentia south one em say mentia south metro ase nti na ebi etu ho anamon dada but then na moma me asoti and me sign ma me wo special unit e wo me office so complaint unit usually say complaint di ba me ma omona ekohwe nti mo ekokoshe na omoma me abi say yes no kre ebi sai koso but officers ni bi etu ho anamo na omoma me ti say facility bi wo ho yes a hotel o se bibisa chobut tani na no ebe fa greenum but apparently green ankasa mu esi enye toilet e washroom a bath waste no na fam nti green mu esi nti no na chese intumi nko na ebuafa ekwemo nti ni sho mo se omo ne una no nkasa na ehu kwa ebe fa so a ebetumi adesoti green na issue no etumi akọ chisana speciality
enti omaye ne saa said o catch from someone no
honestly I'm to give update no na my busy but the information I'm picking is on what the sort green no but me ankasa personally I no pay say me be man for one kwakwe situation no
enti you all confirm me my say said ye de ye nibu based on sent di achire any the manfo go through no o confirm say enye sabio enye toilet nsuo na eba bonten.
Yeah, me won't say and I can say I have not been able to visit the site myself. Won't say you want to do so until you say uti be my office ni be no mo ye because I know I me promise say me ankasa me come for me do office no there was another activity I say me so me too one more so I detailed them but the information they gave me was that wastewater wash for a bathroom no nefa honum nti say office nakasa I would take their word for that but I must also visit and then be sure say indeed what they are telling me is the truth. Yeah.
But sub-metro no environmental foremost within the sub-metro no omo reporting mount and information also wunya and say omadi kan to ho anamon and still anu na eda so a epia bonte sa
because omo now they wanted to get in touch with the owner of the facility but apparently emra woman no enye sa facility no now there wasn't that problem. So they didn't report to me until yesterday, but they are also working. Into say be a matters no be bro so then it comes to me one to my reporter no frame me or car. That's the mission I'm security. Let me step in and then let's see what can be done to resolve the issue.
Chief, is it possible say yes sir name no can it be a embassy beka?
Yes, I
say a toilet.
Oh, the be say we busa me asem. And I won't say Usma will be necessary or call could lead to maybe sometimes you have to double check what you are to sure say all can and testa. But me opinion before I give some information out, I must be sure the information I'm a day man. That is it. So that's why Miss Ma indicated say yes, I would go there, verify the situation and be convinced say
okay.
Pray.
Okay, and how no the amount that room so that when you assess maybe I want my update say sad sense but me tell say a washroom ne bathroom ne sa ne man ne fa is it allowed idea KMA more approve say on betimi use it that drains no for sa de no ana.
Oh yes sir, oh public drain na ye cano if a friend of wastewater from your washroom it is allowed, you can connect to the public drain, but idea what fecal matter. Never said you must have a soccer way to contain those things. It is a purely wastewater from a washroom. Now you are closer to a public drain there. I don't think say anything stops her from allowing you to access that facility.
Okay, but say toilet there no there is not allowed.
There be.
A tumra.
Exactly.
And say sa came be hwa twini pa so.
Exactly. What we'll do is that we'll let you disconnect and then probably the applicable sanctions.
Okay, so for now, no, also men in the core field.
Yeah, so I would do a follow up today.
Okay, Nyame adma Monday. You best have bani edin komo. All right, thank you. Entry.
So John, I think senior Yane Mr. Poku Yanyan no ankasa nso nkofom enko access one.
It is allowed to say obema ne team na kwa akoshe. So
I don't say all kasa utie a o say reports that ono nya no nso kra che say na tem na ne maaye no na sa issue no mu hu so utie ya. But I feel na ahase a eno so ba ntino that means bibi koso ho a ebia omunim nto omunya bre no mo nko access sa drain ni nyina free ho no efie a omo connect omo de abetum nyina no yen access e bia say free terminal ho a yen hu ba bia source ni free ba because sometimes etore bia insuo topa as don one nam kruma na hu ba bia omo biebie amanfo biebie omo fika ma ne befa drains mu one nam adum a e na hu sa anoma no but we no emu bia at a pointer insuo ntoye enya nti na abeta atemu a etu man for so at so do a unya hwene wo ho no ni nyina no health
wa wo hwa okay wo de nya hwe
so me am hwe de ya
se pa omo moti ono mu se obi tia no pe ya
hwe se John
me be say because I say from washroom
and
me
me too say John me
from